Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into today's recipe, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our weekly quick and easy recipes. Today I've got something super exciting for you all. A fast and delicious meatball recipe. You're going to love how simple this is. Let's get cooking. First things first, let's go over our ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1 pound of ground beef, 1 egg, half a cup of breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a pinch of salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley. All right, now let's get to the fun part. Grab a big mixing bowl and toss in your ground beef. Crack in that egg and sprinkle in the breadcrumbs. Add the Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. And don't forget the parsley for that fresh flavor kick. Get your hands in there and mix everything together until it's well combined. Next, we're shaping our meatballs. Roll the mixture into small balls about the size of a golf ball. This recipe should make around 20 meatballs. Perfect for a family dinner or meal prepping for the week. Now, heat up a large skillet over medium heat and add a drizzle of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, place the meatballs in the skillet. Cook them for about 8-10 minutes, turning occasionally until they are browned on all sides and cooked through. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing. And there you have it. Delicious, juicy meatballs in no time at all. You can serve these with your favorite pasta in a sub, or just enjoy them on their own. So simple, yet so tasty. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy recipes every week. Until next time, happy cooking. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.